Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Meglearn. We are facing a difficult time these days, and most of the countries and even our country India is under lockdown due to global pandemic, that is COVID-19. And slowly and gradually we have started moving our day-to-day life, and the unlock phase 1 has been started in our country. But my today's discussion is based on World Environment Day, which is celebrated on 5th June every year, and it was developed earlier by UN, United Nations, for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. And this day is very special, and we should realize the importance of this World Environment Day. This day is celebrated every year to remind every people to not take nature for granted, and to read the signs, understand them, and act accordingly. It is one of the biggest annual events in the world run by United Nations to raise environmental awareness among people. The World Environment Days 2020 theme is to celebrate biodiversity. Biodiversity is important for the survival of all living things, big, small, on land or in water. With 1 million species facing extinction, there has never been a more important topic to focus on: biodiversity. As the world battles the COVID-19 pandemic, among other environmental disasters including cyclones, earthquakes, and floods, it is now more than important that everyone needs to come together to support the environmental initiatives, even in the smallest possible way. It could be started in the form of planting a tree, planting a small plant in your nearby locality, or you can also start as small as saving water at home. That is also a very important thing, because we are facing scarcity of drinking water. So this is a clear message which we as a youth and we as a citizen of our country should try to respect the nature and educate and try to conserve our environment. So it is very high time that we should learn the importance of environment and the use of protecting it, and the importance of protecting the environment, and to live peacefully among other creatures of the world. Thank you. That's all for today.